Hello, praisers and savers. We had an amazing time at CVS today. I got a $145 worth of products for 90% off, 90% in savings. It was absolutely amazing. Stay tuned for the video to watch what I did. Hey, praisers and savers. So Elizabeth, tell me why I started couponing.
Because you didn't have money when I was a baby.
For what?
For diapers.
For diapers. So the first thing we did was I went online and I Googled, inexpensive ways to get diapers, and I came across the crazy couponing lady, and it's actually two ladies, and they taught me how to get diapers at CVS for free. So I got a whole box. It was like $20 box of diapers for free, and we've been couponing how long?
Ever since.
All right, so we're heading into CVS. It's my favorite store. What do we call it, Hannah?
CVS.
We call it what?
CVS.
You call it CVS. So we're heading into CVS. Going to get our freebies for today. So make sure that you do what? Like and sub. Make sure you smash that notification bell so you know whenever all my videos are coming out. All right, let's get started, guys.
My favorite of the Hallmark deals is to definitely get the Hallmark tissue paper. The one that I chose was $1.99. Be careful because some of the other ones that look decorative, maybe a little bit more. I think these are like $2.39 or something like that. Yep, no, these are $1.99. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna buy 2 of the Hallmark tissue papers at $1.99. There is a CRT on your app for $3 off 2 Hallmark products. So that's going to make the both packs of tissue paper just 98 cents or 49 cents each. You don't have to get the tissue paper. You can substitute that to get the things like the bows, because the bows are cheaper. I think the bows are $1.29. Nope, these are $1.79 for these. And there's ribbon and just other things that you can get instead of just the tissue paper or the bags or the cards. Those are $1.99. So making both things of tissue paper just 98 cents. Great. Now the Monofold D is the disinfectant antibacterial cleaner. It is still on a good deal here. You pay $9.99, but you'll get back $9 in extra care bucks, making this just 99 cents for a bottle of cleaner. And I think this deal goes on to the 24th of July. Really great deal on the CVS baby wash. These are $2.59 each, and then they're buy one get one 50% off. And when you buy a second one, they're like $1.30. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna buy 4 of these. When I buy 4 of these, it makes it $7.77. Now on my spreadsheet, I said buy 3, but you're not. You're gonna buy 4. So it's $7.77. There is a $2 CRT off on the CVS brand items, and there's also a 20% off coming if you are a Care Pass member. So it's probably going to make these, I want to say, about $4 for all 4 of them. So the baby wash is also going to go towards your spend 30, get $10 back on household, baby, or personal care items. Next deal we're going to do is a bundle deal on some toothpaste. So this Crest is $3.99. We're going to be picking up 3 of these and using a $1 off coupon for each. Now there are some coupons on the app that you can use, so you could use the $2 off 2 and the $1 off 1 on the app. So you really don't need any paper coupons for this, but I do have some. So we're getting 3 of these at $3.99 and getting a $5 extra care buck back. So let's look at some more breakdown here. So with that Crest toothpaste, I have it highlighted there. You're going to get 3 of those at $3.99 each. That's going to bring your total to $11.97. You're going to use 3 of these $1 off coupons, so that's $3 in coupons. You're going to get back $5 in extra care bucks, making just all 3 tubes of toothpaste just $3.97, or about $1.32 each. The next deal we're going to do is on some Colgate toothpaste. Now this deal, we're going to pick up 5 tubes of this toothpaste, and the reason is because there is a $5 off 25 on the app, and I'll show you what to do here. We don't need any coupons for this because all the coupons are on the app, and we're actually going to get back $10 in extra care bucks because we're doing this deal twice. Let me show you. Colgate toothpaste is highlighted there. You're going to pick up 5 of those at $5.49. That's going to bring your total to $27.45. We're going to use not $8. We're actually going to use $9 in coupons. Fix that real quick. All right, $9 in coupons. There's a $5 store coupon coming off with the CRT when you buy $25 worth of Colgate products. You're also getting back $10 in extra care bucks because you're doing this deal twice. It's going to make everything $3.45 for 5 tubes of toothpaste. Not bad. This is this week's freebie on the gold emblem popcorn, the 5 ounce or the 7 ounce. Now this is the last bag in the store, so I got to pick that up for no one else does. Now these are $2.99, and when you go to the register, they're going to scan your CRT, making these free. Awesome deal. This isn't any kind of special deal or any kind of money maker, but we do need this. This is something that I don't get very often, but we use the Head & Shoulders in our house, the men 2-in-1, and these are 2 for $12. We also have these $3 off coupons when you buy 2. So we're going to be picking up actually 4 of these Head & Shoulders. And it's going to be $24. We're going to be getting back $5 in extra care bucks, so we'll make it $19. We're using 2 of these $3 off coupons, so that's going to bring it down to $13 for the shampoo. Now I don't have any CRTs for hair care, but $13 for 4 bottles of Head & Shoulders is pretty good, considering that these are very pricey shampoos. Right, we actually have a money maker on this Tresemme shampoo. So first thing we're going to do is pick up 2 of these at $10. We're going to use one of these $5 off coupons, bringing this down to $5. We also have an extra care buck coming off at the end, so that's going to make those $3. There are 2 CRTs for Tresemme. There's a $3 CRT off $10 in Tresemme, and there's a $2 CRT for Tresemme, making this a $2 money maker. So again, we're going to use this coupon and take off 2 CRTs on the app and the $2 in extra care bucks, making this a $2 money maker. All right, earlier we bought some baby shampoo, and this also helped to go with this here. So I only need to spend about $22 to meet that threshold, and I think I will. So the Huggies Little Movers are 2 for $22. I'm going to buy 2 packs. I'm also going to use 2 of these $2.50 coupons. This is a high value coupon for diapers. Usually we see $1, $2, but not usually $2.50. So that's $5 in coupons. And then we're also going to be getting back $10 in extra care bucks after everything is said and done. So that means that we're only going to pay really $7 for 2 packs of diapers, which is $3.50, considering we already bought that baby shampoo from earlier.